Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin. Chris here, and today is episode 5 of my Sunday shoutouts. In case you haven't seen it before, I just give a shout out to 2 or 3 channels every week. Not necessarily channels that need support, but channels that I think you definitely need to watch. I'll put a link up here to last week's episode so you can check that out. And getting right into it, the first channel I'm giving a shout out to today is armadillopepper.com. Jeff and Donna over there, they have some great videos, and I have to say that some of their Big Easy videos have inspired me on the Big Easy, and you need to go and check out any of the videos where Jeff makes a compound butter or any kind of sauce to go with whatever he's cooking. Every single one of those looks absolutely delicious. Again, the link was right up there, so armadillopepper.com. You need to go and check them out. And channel number 2 for today is What's New Barbecue. Kenneth over there has got some great videos as well. He's done some amazing rib cooks. Anything. He has done some great cooks. He's also a competition barbecuer, so he knows exactly what he's doing. If you need any tips or tricks. Ticks or trips? Trip? Oh, I am so messed up. Tips or tricks? Wow, that took a lot to get out. Tips or tricks? What's New Barbecue? Kenneth is the one to look at. That is it for this week. Just a couple of quick shout outs. Check out those channels, Donna and Jeff and Kenneth over at What's New Barbecue. Check them out, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Again, if there are any other channels that you want to see, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll try and get to them in a future Sunday shoutout. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and we'll see you next week.